pushy.
Alright, so we have 4 puppies so far. 2 boys, 2 girls. She just started pushing again, so she was nursing all of them. I tried to get them to all nurse, so not only for their energy, but to help her stop bleeding. She's had quite a bit of blood. Not too much, not any more so than our last dog, so but we're just got to keep an eye on her. We still don't know if she retained the first placenta or not. So we got to keep watching for that.
Keep pushing back. A little bit of blood came out.
A little bit of blood.
Nothing too major.
Okay. All right, so she's just getting ready to push her. So
I'm here to help.
get number 5 out.
Is it wrong if they try to suck on each other?
That's fine, honey.
I've had them suck on my fingers.
So we have
They don't have
George over here with the babies. All 4, just in there and keeping them nice and warm. And she's still trying to get number 5 out. We first 2 came out breech, second 2 came out head first. 3rd and 4th came out with quite a bit of blood, so that's why we're trying to get them to nurse in between. She's pushing. Okay.
Nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Okay.
It's coming soon because she's looking at it.
Yep, it's coming.
She's gonna keep her legs like that.
No, it's okay. Just, let her guide what she needs to do here. So, how much time do we have between, let's see, 3 and 4? It was what, 50 minutes?
No, between 3 and 4 was like 15.
15. Okay, so between 2 and 3 it was 50 minutes. And then,
She's pushing again.
so,
She's pushing.
it's okay. It's okay.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good
Keep
girl.
pushing.
You're doing good. Good job, sweetheart. Good job. It's okay.
I know.
Yep, just, give her some time,
You
space.
gotta keep pushing. Here it comes.
Here it
Head
comes.
first.
Head first.
At exactly 21:59.
Okay.
In 30 seconds. Keep pushing, girl.
Yeah, just trying to get it out. Yeah, you can see the head by her tail there. So far we've had, I know, that one's really
And
active.
none of them are mostly white.
I know,
There's
they're
5 that
all
are mostly black.
mostly black. That one has a wider stripe around its neck. So, yeah, we got 4 dark ones and 1 light one, but none of them are pure white like we had with the other batch.
Well, none
So-
of them are pure white. It's
Right.
just that the other ones have mostly white.
Right.
The placenta has not come out yet.
It's okay.
You need to give another push.
No, that's okay. It took a while for the placentas to come out for each of them. So, except for the second one, I think that one came right out.
Well, don't forget, Emma. Val has, the Anatolian and the Nazi Shepherd came out more in Val than it did on the rest.
Right.
Right.
So,
her puppies would have.
well, are going to have a lot
Literally
more.
right attached, so
Yep.
you have to do a bit more pushing.
That's okay. Just leave the puppy there. Leave the puppy there. Puppy's breathing. Puppy's moving. And she's going to keep licking the puppy. Keep stimulating it, and she'll find the cord. So, okay, so this is puppy number 5. Can't tell if it's a boy or a girl yet, but we'll find out soon. So far 2 boys, 2 girls, and question mark. We have actually quite a few of the pups have double dew claws on their back legs, which is
Except for one.
So,
Artemis said all double blue claws.
oh yeah,
Except, Archer's just morphed over time.
right.
They were all born with double blue claws.
So we
Okay,
were all like, looks like the Pyrenees pinched the Anatolian.
right.
No, the Anatolian has pinched the Pyrenees.
Thank you, Sebastian Maniscalco.
All right.
Got it, Doc?
She's doing good. She's doing really good. All right, we're just gonna take a break from videoing and